What's going on, everyone? So, like I was saying, this strength is not to be messed with. Do not try to blindly short this market. Wait until levels of support are broken. All right. And in yesterday's video, I was showing how Bitcoin needed a very, very strong move, and we can clearly see that happened. So basically, I believe that this is just going to give even more fuel to the rest of the indices market moving forward. And yeah, so in today's video, we're going to go ahead and talk about the SPY, the IWM, the NASDAQ, the 30, maybe, and then the large tech stocks, and then, of course, the crypto market. All right, so without further ado, let's get started with the video. And of course, we had a really, really amazing, awesome day today in the Discord, completely free. The link is in the channel description as well as in the comments. And yeah, man, it was a really awesome day. So yeah, go ahead and click that, go to the how to join channel, and it's pretty awesome. So yeah, there's that. Anyway, here is the SPY. Now, you know what? Let me talk a little bit more. You guys are charging, no, you guys are paying a lot of money per month for people that aren't doing what I'm doing completely for free. So I just want you guys to put that into perspective. Like I was saying, you're either going to join soon or you're going to join in another month or two. As you see, I consistently post these sorts of trades. So do your portfolio a favor and join sooner rather than later. All right, so now we can go into the video. So this is the SPY, and I was showing how we needed 2 closes above this trend line for us to continue upwards. That's exactly what's happening. So basically now the next important level of resistance for the SPY is going to be 457.36. And it's crazy. It is crazy that we are back here. Like it's ridiculous. Back here, all throughout these weeks, everyone was just saying, "Oh my God, that's it. We're going to 400. We're going to 380. That's it." But here we are. You guys have to realize that the market, the news, the government, officials, their job is to take money away from retail and use us as liquidity. So they make everyone go short at the bottoms. They make everyone start to go long at the tops. So what my job is I'm trying to help you guys understand the grand scheme of things. So yeah, so there's that. So now we have that upper level, and this upper channel point of the SPY is going to be around 460. So now we're getting to a point where it's like, okay, like it's not as good of a risk reward to go long at the moment because the support is approximately at 450 and then the resistance is at 460. So it's not the best risk reward in terms of going long. But again, it's not a reason to go short anything until levels of support are broken. All right. Right now, the SPY is clearly showing strength. No ifs, ands, or buts. I don't want to hear anything in the, oh, I think the SPY is going to go to 430 next week. That could be the case. But right now, Sherlock, you have no justification to even say any of that stuff. If you decide to throw a freaking quarter into a pond, I don't know where I'm going with this. But you can say, oh, the quarter is going to hit the pond. Congratulations. It's going to hit the pond, but you have no reason not to say it. I don't even know where I'm going with that, but there's no justification to go short. There's nothing that's indicating any of that right now. All of the indicators are strong. The RSI is strong. Things are looking really, really good. Okay. So just wait until levels of support are broken before you go short. That's all I ask. Because right now, like the strength reminds me a lot about April 2021. And I consistently show you guys that in the videos. Every single time we've looked like we were going to have a pullback, we didn't. We just kept ripping upwards in April as well. So please, all right, have patience. This is the SPY. Let's go ahead and take a look at the IWM. IWM looks very bullish as well. The MACD is almost completely, like it cooled off completely. We were very, very overbought over here, but we've maintained in a bullish structure. As you can see, this is a bull flag. This is a bullish structure, not the cleanest drawing, but we were extremely oversold here, or overbought here. and now we're essentially oversold while still maintaining at the same basic price range. And that is very, very bullish. Okay, so you can clearly see right now the IWM is very bullish. We held this level of support here at 204.81. The upper level of resistance is 207.43 for tomorrow. If we close above that, it's going to be even more bullish. There's not much else to talk about for the IWM. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the large tech stocks and the NASDAQ. So Apple clearly looks very, very strong at the moment. This is crazy. So if we close back above this 176.50 area, then it's very, very likely that we can go and retest 180 soon. So that's going to be pretty sick if we break above 176.55. Microsoft had a really, really good day. We closed above 305.65. There's a lot more room to the upside. Really, the next level of resistance is going to be basically above 312, right? After 312, then it's going to be around 314, 315. But overall, that looks good. Google looks great. Not much to look at there. Amazon had a really, really amazing day as well. Closed above all of these levels of resistance. And then, of course, Tesla had a ridiculous day of strength as well. Again, even if things look overextended, that's not a justification to start shorting just yet. You have to adapt to different market environments. All right, you can't just automatically, apply the same concepts month to month in the stock market. You have to basically adapt and try to see, okay, this happened in March. All right, let me look at what happened in the past March of like the last few years. Let me look at what happened the month before this and the month after this for the past few years as well. You have to do research. You have to try to figure out why the markets are moving the way that they are. You have to try to figure out, okay, you have to connect all of the dots, all right? You can't be static in your assessment of the stock market and overall price action, or else you're going to lose money, okay? So this, in any other market environment, this would not really be sustainable, right? We're trading outside of the upper level of the Bollinger Band. It looks like a great short. You know me, I love Bollinger Bands. So I would be the first one to say, oh, look, we have to short this. We have to short this. Oh my God, easy short. Whoa, we closed 3 days outside of the upper level of the Bollinger Band. It's a good short. No, I didn't say any of that because the strength was not to be messed with. That's basically what I'm saying. All right. So clearly Tesla is showing a lot of strength, and it looks like he can go and retest 1159 pretty soon. And 1159 would basically coincide perfectly with this trend line here. And that would be pretty sick. So all of the tech stocks are showing strength. Let's go ahead and take a look at the NASDAQ. NASDAQ also showing strength. Clearly, obviously, because the rest of the tech sector was showing strength. We closed above these two major levels of resistance I was talking about earlier in the last video. 362 and 363. Now the next level of resistance is going to be 366.55. And on top of that, it's going to be approximately 368.79. So again, the entire indices market looks very, very strong as well. One more time, I'm just going to really, really just try to make you guys understand. There's nobody that is actually a profitable trader that makes money trading stocks, making YouTube videos like this, and not charging money per month. I'm the only one that's doing this. Every single other person on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, everybody else, there's no one else doing exactly what I'm doing. All right? So please take that into consideration. Join the link and you'll join the community. I'm here to try to help people make money. All right? It's literally it. I'm not charging anything per month. I'm never, ever going to charge anything per month. I've never taken money from anybody for anything, ever. If you can find anyone that I have charged money for anything, I'll delete all of my social media accounts. But can't. So yeah, anyway, there's that. NASDAQ super strong. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin clearly showing a lot of strength. This is the chart on the non-log chart where this is ridiculous strength, guys. So when Bitcoin is showing this much strength, and we've seen the correlation for the past few months now, where basically the stock market takes turns pumping with the rest of the so basically Bitcoin starts pumping, then the stock market takes turns like afterward pumping. So we're seeing it. Okay, so it's like until that pattern is broken, we're going to continue assuming that this strength in Bitcoin is going to lead into more strength in the stock market, because that's what's been happening the past 3 or 4 times this year so far. So now, again, Bitcoin is starting to break out. Altcoins are starting to break out. Ethereum, the other altcoins were basically leading this rally. And now that money funneled out of Ethereum and into Bitcoin. Like I was showing, I think the drawing should still be here, unless I deleted it. I deleted it. But in another video, I was basically saying that, you know, money is going to funnel out of Ethereum and go into Bitcoin. That's basically exactly what happened. So essentially now, this strength in Bitcoin is like it's basically going to correlate into the stock market as well. All right, so that's my thinking. Literally anything above 45,500 is still bullish. We can fall down from 48 right now to 45,500. We'll still be trading above this trend line. That'll still be bullish. The only things that we need to take into consideration now are the MACD looks so strong, which is crazy. The MACD looks so strong. But the RSI is overbought, and we're trading outside of the upper B bands pretty substantially. So having a day or two of consolidation would be nice. And then while we consolidate, it would be nice if the rest of the stock market really started to plow above this 460 area. And yeah, man, that would be pretty awesome. But of course, you know, anything can happen. But of course, Bitcoin is showing tons of strength. We're swinging mirror calls, and things look really, really good for the entire stock market. If you guys enjoyed the video, please make sure to subscribe, like the video, comment, give me your thoughts. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you.